Lessons 14 and 15 for grades 4 through 6 are the final two well-being lessons and are called Learning About Resilience. As always, before I review the lessons, please know that while we suggest pacing times for each lesson, we want you to feel free to chunk the lessons up or narrow them down any way you need to meet the needs of your classroom routine. Lesson 14 is called The Road to Resilience. We recommend dedicating 40 minutes to this lesson, and you may need dictionaries or computers, chart paper and markers, and a whiteboard or smartboard. This lesson begins with reviewing all of the topics they have learned about throughout all of the well-being lessons, which now include well-being, mindfulness, gratitude, empathy and compassion, and altruism. Be sure to review these topics even after you've completed all of the lessons in order to keep them fresh on your students' minds throughout the rest of the school year. From there, students will watch a video to spark thoughts and discussion about overcoming obstacles and not giving up. This will lead to defining resilience and a movie clip to keep your students talking. Finally, this lesson includes 3 station rotations to get your students thinking and talking about topics they've learned throughout the well-being lessons. And your final well-being lesson is called Reflecting on and Celebrating Well-being, which we recommend taking 40 minutes on, and you may need chart paper and markers, a whiteboard or smartboard, and any pictures or video you've taken during the well-being lessons, if any. At this point, your students have learned so much and done so much collaboration on well-being. Lesson 15 simply gives them time and space to discuss what they've learned and reflect on how they are taking care of their well-being. It also includes examples of daily actions your students can take to continue their journey on implementing all of the topics they've learned about. We hope that you and your students have loved these well-being lessons. Please feel free to reinforce your students' well-being by repeating any segments of these lessons as needed throughout the remainder of the school year. As always, feel free to contact us through the Education Plus website anytime with questions or feedback, and we wish you the best with your own well-being and that of your classroom. Take care.